speak loudly.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am also my today debate topic is it fair to require that all students learn at least foreign language, yes or not? I was in favor of no because students who there are many foreign languages that students not get easily, but there is a English language that the students can get. That's all. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Roshan Kumari. Today we are gathered here to discuss about is it for to require that all our students learn at least one foreign language, yes or not? So I am favoring yes. Yes is yes. It is for to require that all our students learn at least one foreign language like English, because English language is important for a student. A student go to abroad to study, they use English. That's all.
Next.
Good morning everyone. I am Anand Singh. Today there is topic debate in our batch, and the topic is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language, yes or no? I am in favor of yes because one of the most remarkable benefits of learning a foreign language is that we get opportunities to connect with new people. Thank you.
Next. Good morning. Topic is Kunal or Devin.
Good morning, sir. I am Saurabh Kumar Gupta, and today's our debate caption is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language, yes or no? So, yes, we need to require to study at least one foreign language because it helps us to knowing about foreign country, and languages teach us everything. As there are many foreign languages, but English is the only one foreign language we use it anywhere, everywhere. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Chanchal, and today we are gathered here discuss about on the topic of is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language, yes or not? I am in the favor of yes, because first of all, I learn anything which is not best. It is good. If in India government allowed to every student must be learn at least one foreign language, then it is good, and also it helps us to conversation with another country people. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Sweetie. Today there is a debate, and topic is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language? So I am favoring yes. It is required that all students learn at least one foreign language because there are many foreign languages such as Spanish, French, and etc. But English is one of them. This language is used everywhere, and if students know about this language, they don't face any problem in their own life and they can got anything. That's all. Good morning everyone. I am Preeti. Today we gather here to discuss about is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language, yes or not? I think yes. All students learn at least one foreign language. I think especially English because English speaks everywhere in the world. We go to foreign, if I could not able to speak their language so easily, I speak English because most of the students who know English better. That's all. Thank you.
Today, my topic is it fair to require that all students learn one foreign language? I think yes, all students learn one foreign English language. There are many countries, India, America, Ireland, etc. From all many languages. हिंदी में आगे
morning, sir. I'm a dear friend. I am Mukesh Kumar. Today we are discuss about foreign languages. I think no, because many students is not proper speak Hindi and language. So I think is the no much any Hollywood movie is the many foreign language is the uses movie about and not I understand movie and so we are watching is the Hindi. Thank you, Dasna.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Kathy Kumari. Today there is a debate section, and the caption is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language, yes or not? So I am favor of no. It is not required fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language, because if we learn only one language, it is only useful for only one country, and that's all for me.
Next. Good morning, sir, and my dear friend. I am Rahul Kumar. Today we are gathered here to discuss about is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language, yes or no? I think not. According to me, all students should not learn at least one foreign language, because foreign languages are many and we are confused which language we have learned. So we have developed our knowledge not to learn other language, because this is our time waste and nothing. That's all, and thanks a lot.
A very pleasurable and chilly day. So, my dear brothers and dear sisters, this is Kunal Kumar. Today we gathered here for a debate section. And the caption of the debate section is it fair to require that all students learn at least one foreign language? So, according to me, it is the class of English. So, I should mention my points in English. That's my compulsion. If it would not be a compulsion, I'll put my point in Hindi. But this is an English class, so I should mention each and everything in English. First point, we do not require any official language. We are Indians and we always should follow our mother tongue. We get a plum job knowing our mother tongue is weak. Then why we should take another language if we can proceed our life with our mother tongue? Nowadays our mother tongue are vanishing, therefore we don't get a Hindi typist degree. And still we can survive our life in our mother tongue, then why need to learn other languages which do not proceed in our country? That's all I'm thinking.
A very warm good morning to all. I am Sunny, as we are gathered here for the debate session on the caption. On the captions is that fair to require all students to learn at least one foreign language. So no, I am in the favor of no, because when we need to go anywhere, we will learn all about that language. Before it is kind of fashion only, and it may be a kind of foolishness. It may waste your time that can you utilize in your work, that can help you to go anywhere, and at that time you can use that language. It is also a kind of a waste of money, because whenever you learn any languages, then you have to do revision about that language, because you have to make fluency on it. So there is no any another person in your public area, in your home or in your society, that can help you to conversation with them. So it is only a kind of waste of money. That's it. Questions, please. Why you are talking about only English? There are so many foreign languages.
because English is one of them, yeah, and it is used everywhere and every country.
But as we know that there is so many countries where their regional language are used,
But English is used.
and so many people who don't know how to talk English.
I can mention
If
many,
they don't know about this language, they cannot survive anywhere.
I can mention many countries where English is banned, like South Korea and North Korea.
But other countries use.
Spanish word, sorry. In Spain, there is only a Spanish, no English.
And you say
And I
that-
have the proof. And I have the proof. In French, you can only use French, not English. I know English is an important and international language, but it doesn't matter. Sorry, it matters that it
But
doesn't
in
carry
America
on.
and China, where
No.
use-
China is also. China
I
will not
know
use
China
English.
is also Chinese language, but if any people who go to China and they don't know about Chinese language, but they know about English language, they can survive.
Only they can survive. Only they can speak English.
They can get
only
a job.
to the Chinese embassy and Indian embassy and nowhere else. According to me, as I know.
So how we survive on their market?
Don't go.
Don't go.
Don't go.
Hindi
you
is
go,
our
then
mother
go
tongue.
back.
Why we learn English here?
Hmm?
Hindi is our mother tongue. Why all are learn English here?
Because most of the work in India can be happen with the
But
help of
English is a foreign
English.
language.
You say in India, talk about India. We are Indian and we are surviving in India. So most every work are happening in India with the help of English language.
But Hindi is our mother tongue.
Just ask to your government why they don't use Hindi at that place.
Why they impose CBSE rule to prefer all each and every subjects in English? Why they given the authorization to the CBSE board school in dear government of mother tongue?
But in India, it's everywhere not we use Hindi. In India, we not.
That's why we learn English. That's why. It's my answer.
Kunal says the mother tongue is everywhere we use mother tongue, but in Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, we
That was the
not.
state language. That's what we say.
This is your my side.
Oh,
sorry. So why we should learn only single language then? We should learn, if we are not presiding our language in our country, why need to learn foreign languages then? Learn your state's language, learn your country language first. There are more than 40 and 60 languages in your country.
You never go.
No, simply tell me.
Bihar to
Simply tell me. You only talk about everyone talk about English. Okay. So learn your language of your country first. You are residing in your country, so you should learn for your language.
You not go a bit out
If
of
languages vary from state to
so you
state,
know go out of Bihar to work.
no need to work.
In full time you spend in Bihar.
Simply just tell
fully
me.
time spent in Bihar.
Simply tell me, if you want to learn a single foreign language and still you don't know how to proceed your life in your country without knowing your all languages, then why need to learn a foreign language?
But we use English in 100 out of 70.
Okay, before 300
70 70 countries.
Okay, forget about before 100 years, there was English.
No.
Then why need to learn? Because our generation demands it. Our generation demands it, not our. English would be our merit, not our mother tongue. It never be.
When you go out of India, how you survive?
Why need to go out of India?
Why?
need? If we can get a plum job in our country.
Why you make your visa pass?
okay.
Go,
Okay, bro.
Go and
Okay. Then suppose I learned Spanish. Okay. I have to go in France. Okay. French language. I need their French language. So At that time, is Spanish language help me to communicate with friend people?
You don't need to only one
Topic.
You all mention
At
only in
least-
English.
At least.
Okay, okay. You
Not-
all
not
mention
one. At least.
each and everyone mentioned English. Why not Spanish, French, Chinese, Portuguese? Why not? Why only
because in all over world 70% of the use be English. 60-70% we use.
Okay, we have two types of English. Okay, which one English that you would prefer?
Whatever you think, the
There is
English which you are studying
something-
right now, the English which you are studying right now or learning right now, that is precedes your life in another country? No, never. No, never. You are learning a British English, but most of the foreign countries proceed with or succeed with the American English. American accent.
But it helps to survive.
No, it
But
never
it
helps.
helps.
It will never help.
From
Okay, simply tell me French. France, French, and Russia, Russian. Okay, you think that English is an international language and we can survive our life in that country. Okay, do you ever realize the accent of British English and American English? Do you ever realize?
I have said that I know it has many difference, but it helps. Sometimes we convert.
Sometimes. So sometimes we can also proceed our life with the Hindi mother tongue. Also Australian and most of the Americans also know about the Bhojpuri language.
Out of India.
हाँ, definitely. Especially the superpower America.
You use the Hindi language.
They are Bhagwara. Most of the famous by the Radha and Krishna, they also proceeding, following our culture over there. That's why they are also aware about our language also. They also speak Hindi. They also speak.
Sir, given the topic, at least one. So we mentioned.
Just tell me
only
now,
one
why
language.
only English? Why not French,
Goa.
Spanish and Portuguese? Why not Chinese? Why only English?
Because
You all are talking about English and nothing else.
we prefer English because it is an international language and it is
I also prefer, I know that.
Yeah.
It's a compulsion of our class. That is the English class we should mention our point.
as you know that in Spanish you can't use English, but if you go to Spanish or French anywhere, by the help of English you can communicate there.
Definitely.
It is not compulsory that in French or in Spanish, only Spanish or French language. As in India, our mother tongue is Hindi, our official
No,
language
our
is Hindi.
mother is not Hindi.
Our official language is Hindi.
You also
Okay?
answer.
But in India,
Also English.
okay, 1 second. But in India, by the help of English language, we can communicate with each other, and by the foreign people who came to our country, we can.
Because our generation demands.
What?
Because of our generation demands.
Whatever it is, but we can communicate in today's generation now.
In our
So in Spanish or in French, as you told, we can communicate in English.
Dude, you never
Because it
ever
is-
understand Spanish without knowing the American accent of English.
But English
And
we
we
can.
are learning British accent.
But we,
There is a vast difference between British accent and American accent. Mind it.
Garbage and dustbin.
Without knowing American accent, you cannot understand or learn French language. Even Portuguese and British and Russian too. We are learning British English. I know that English is an international language, but there are vast difference between accent of American and the British.
Yes.
And
we
why
know
don't you
the-
understand it?
But we can survive.
Music.
Some
Like some words.
Some words.
Like some words.
Some words we use.
Like, will you explain it? Like which type of word will you accent in American? Like I know that English is an international language and we can succeed our life everywhere. But there is a vast difference between British accent and American accent. Without knowing the American
The
accent, we
topic is
can.
not that the British accent or
I know
American
that.
accent.
You just
Topic
copy
is any
it.
foreign language.
Any
You just
foreign
copy
And in
it.
language.
foreign language we choose English.
I know
language.
that.
Because it is
English-
an international language.
English is not only a foreign language. Why not?
The language which are most famous, we can choose.
That's why I am also talking about English. English also not a foreign language. There are many also foreign language, French, Spanish.
But sir,
Chinese.
But
topic
English
at
is
least
international
one.
and it's famous
Why you
language.
all talk about only English?
Because it is an international and famous language.
Why
I
you
have
all?
also mentioned that international
Why you
is
also
foreign
mentioned
language.
the English language?
I have not mentioned that English language should be compulsory.
You mentioned like English is international
I
language.
have nothing to answer in my comment.
Instead of my question is yours. You
My
said
question is yours.
okay.
Okay.
My question is to you. I want to say that foreign language know about foreign country. How can you say that?
Yeah.
Foreign language know about foreign country. How can you say that?
Hindi tells about our culture.
Okay, which foreign language?
Hindi tells about our culture.
Of course.
So English also tells about the.
Okay, tell me first.
You know English, and your English tells about your culture and tradition.
Sorry, yeah, tongue slip.
Okay,
Not put the little
Okay,
bit.
okay. Tell me first. When we come to the second chapter, if we complete first chapter, okay, then why when we should learn English, when we learn everything about English, Hindi, because it's our mother language, whatever you say. So do you know all about English? Sorry, Hindi.
Pardon me, question.
Okay. When we done second chapter, just when we come any subject, when we complete for chapter first, then we done chapter second. So do you know all about Hindi? Do you know everything about Hindi?
Are you getting this question or not?
Okay. So tell me what is the Hindi of train, railway station first. Okay, otherwise you don't know Hindi. There is common game. There is common game, cricket. Tell me the Hindi of cricket.
Can you tell us?
Lamb goal dand
Field har pakat pat nahi.
The previous question.
Jimbo.
Railway station. Can you know?
I don't know. Just I am.
That's why we are not in the favor of we are who do not learn a foreign language.
We are in favor of foreign language.
So that's why we are asking. If you do not completed your first chapter, why need to go to the second chapter?
सब यहाँ मुंह देखने के लिए बैठा है। एक वो ये है जो
If we do not, wait a second, not in Hindi. If we do not completed our first chapter, why need to go to the second chapter? Chintu, Nikita, if you don't know your mother tongue, then why need to learn other kind of foreign language? Tell me, answer me.
Why you time wasted in this class?
No, it's not time waste.
Why are you using English?
No one
Both
has.
are mentioned.
No, not mentioned.
Answer me first. After that, I will
No
answer you
mention.
why I am here.
Simply, you don't want to defeat in the debate, or you don't have the words to express your knowingly or point. These are the two reasons. You don't want to be yourself in this debate, or you don't want to know about your point, whatever you mentioned in your. Without completing first chapter, why need to go to the second chapter? Mother tongue, our mother tongue is Hindi. If we don't know about Hindi, why need to learn other foreign language? Anyone of you? Anyone can answer? I am asking the question. If you are able to answer me, if you are not able to answer me, just ask the question. Simple. We are able to answer. That's why debate never ever continue to the last. Because whatever the point you mentioned, you still don't know about that. And don't put yourself in this debate. Each and every time this is happening in this class. and that's why you all are not improving your language. Whatever
This is compulsory.
or the people before you, they ask a question, you don't have to answer it. Answer me, any one of you. If we do not completed our first chapter, why need to go to the second chapter? If we don't know our mother tongue, why need to learn a foreign language?
We all know our mother tongue.
Okay.
Then tell me, what is the Hindi of railway station?
It is not necessary to.
Why? Why you pick up the only one point? Only one word. So,
If you are not, because you are getting that point again and again. That's why I am.
Right. Sir, also given is at least one language.
Anyone have any question?
Why we at least one language?
So
we have to
English-
complete our first mother language.
So English is all.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad have the talent of 26 languages. What did he do in his life?
He is an exceptional person.
He was a two-headed man.
Suppose.
Four eyes man.
Okay, suppose. You know very well Spanish language. Okay?
No.
Suppose.
Why we support?
Because you are science student.
Not a science of a student. Just a kind of person you can suppose.
No, I'm not.
Just visualize it. Just imagine.
No, I don't do it.
Okay, if you are not supposing, then you should be in the favor of no.
No.
Then why are you in the favor of yes?
It's my choice.
मतलब गोली मारना है तो मारना है।
No logic.
Okay, any question?
Gyanti Di, you
D. Don't use the subtitle here.
you say that one foreign language used for only one country.
Please remove your mask before I ask the question.
You say that one foreign language used for only one country. How can you say that? English is not foreign language. Sorry? English is not.
Except English only. If you learn Spanish or Chinese, it's not useful for other countries.
In Spain, English is not speaking.
Yeah, because their language is Spanish.
Also, they are used English.
There are many languages. Okay, there are many languages in world.
Language.
Language. So
Language.
okay, language. Which language in the world? So which foreign language we are learning?
We are learning.
We can learn. Which foreign language we
Which can help to everywhere.
English.
Do you know everywhere? I'm saying which one foreign language we are learning?
Okay, suppose you got a chance to go North School. Okay. Suppose you got a chance. Free ticket, free visa, free passport, each and everything. Fooding and lodging, each and everything is free. Are you going over there? Will you go over there or not?
Nobody
It
knows
depends
about
on
that time.
that time.
That's why I'm asking to you. Will you go?
That time, if I am busy and I do not go
Don't give me
there,
the bullshit reasons. Will you go there or not? Everything is free to enjoy your life in a foreign country. Will you go? And it's the first and last opportunity.
yes, I will go. But
You
if I
offered-
know about this
you
language,
offered-
I cannot
You offered.
enjoy.
If you got offered.
Let me complete the
You
question.
offered-
Let me complete the
You
question.
offered. If you are not able to answer, then please don't sit here.
Wait a sec.
If I will go there and I don't know about this language, I cannot enjoy myself.
Okay, means you only think about the English is that language with which we can proceed our life in any corner of the world. But
Yes.
North Korea does not offer it. Do you know that North Korea is not a constitutional country? It's a dictatorship country. Do you know that? Do you know that or not?
Not in South
Do you
and
know
North,
that?
but other.
Simply tell me. Do you know North Korea is a dictatorship country, not a democratic country? Ankita, the question comes to you now. But English is not over there. How will you survive?
इसमें नहीं करता है कभी बीजेपी कभी
You don't go there. First and last opportunity कहाँ है last?
हमसे ही पूछेंगे
Okay, who says English is only foreign country? It's also our official country. Sorry, not country, language.
If our mother tongue is Hindi, not our official or national language, mother tongue, then English is also our official language.
So don't talk about English.
Where is mentioned that English is our
Where is mentioned that Hindi is not our mother tongue?
Wait, let me finish. Where is the mention English is official language? Just search on Google. You will
In
get
our
answer.
country, where it is mentioned that English is our official language? In our country, I am.
Yes, just Google it, man.
Okay.
Just Google it. Or read the book of at least 9th or 10th book, SST book. You will get answer.
अच्छा question